Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, we are going to find out how many devices can watch Netflix on the same account at the same time. Now, let's start. So I have Netflix open here, and actually for the Netflix app, it is not going to tell you how many accounts would be able to simultaneously use your Netflix. So here what you can do is you can go to your web browser and go to help.netflix.com. Now in here, we can see that there are three different kinds of subscriptions for Netflix. We have basic for $8.99, standard for $13.99, and premium for $17.99. Now the number of devices that can connect to Netflix at the same time depends on what kind of subscription you have. So if you have basic, you can only use one device. If you have standard, you can use two devices. And if you have premium, you can use up to 4 devices. Alright, so there we have it, guys. I hope this information is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.